Hello and welcome to the Math for Fun, and in this video I'm going to show you how do you divide integers. Remember, as we did in the multiplication video, it's good to start using the funny face first and then later on you will memorize the process. Now here we have 35 divided by minus 5. Let's divide 35 by 5 first. You get 7, and now the sign for 35 is positive and the sign for the 5 is negative, so we are dividing positive by negative. What do? We go for the funny face here and we put minus, minus, plus, and we cross out the minus and the plus, so you will be left by minus, so your answer is going to be minus 7. Let me show you another example. Here we have minus 24 divided by 4. So as we mentioned, divide 24 by 4, you'll get 6, and now we have minus for the 24 and we have plus for the 4, which means minus and plus. So what do we do with the funny face? We cross out minus and plus, you will be left by minus. So your answer is going to be minus 6. When we have positive numbers divided together, no need to go for any face, no need to do anything, just keep it as positive. So plus 8 divided by plus 4 is going to be plus 2. And that's it. What about minus 21 divided by 7? So 21 divided by 7 is 3. And we cross out minus and plus from the face, you get minus sign, so the final answer is going to be minus 3. What about minus 52 divided by minus 4? So 52 divided by 4 is going to be equal to 13. Why? Because 4 times 10 is 40 and 4 times 3 is 12. 40 and 12 is 52. So you can try it. You can make long division to get the answer. So your answer is 13, but now minus divided by minus is going to be plus, because if we cross two minus signs from the face, you're left by positive. So your answer is plus 13. Remember that negative divided by positive is negative. Positive divided by negative is negative. But if we have two negative signs, so negative divided by negative is positive always. 65 divided by minus 13. Now 65 divided by 13 is 5, and plus divided by minus is minus. So you get minus 5. Minus 10 divided by minus 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5, because 2 times 5 is 10. And minus divided by minus is what? Is plus. Or when you see two negative signs above each other in a fraction, just cross it out. This is also a shortcut for you to do that. 24 divided by minus 12. What do we do here? 24 divided by 12 is 2, and plus divided by minus is, as we mentioned before, we have only one minus sign, so it's going to be minus 2, and that would be the answer. If you forgot the rule, go for the funny face and put the minus, minus, plus signs, and you can do it with that. And here I can say that we reached the end of the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share, and welcome to Math for Fun, and bye for now.